Hi everyone, and welcome back to Nail of the Week. If you'd like to see what I did this time, continue watching. Welcome back everyone. Good to see you. Back doing another nail design for the week, and I went with another tropical look. Didn't do it on purpose, but it just turned out that way. I love it. But after this, you will see this background only 2 more times for my toe design and my outfit of the day, and then I will be gone into my new place after 20 years. I am super excited. I hope I don't have to take any time off my channel, but if I do, I will explain that. But I can't wait to do a tour of before and after of that new salon. The lighting is so great. So this is the last time you guys will have to see this bad lighting. It's going to be phenomenal. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So, but anyways, let me show you. I went with this beautiful tropical look again with this teal and yellow look, and the flowers just turned out phenomenal. I love it, and all those crystals. Love my bling. And I love that soft yellow. Isn't that beautiful? Again, I will have a toe design to match and an outfit of the day, and then I am out of here. But anyways, I've been pretty busy, but I still want to offer you guys some videos. So like I said, I hope I don't have to take any time off. If I do, I apologize, but I'll let you all know that. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification. Link down in this box is my Angels Heavenly Nails, which is just nails, toes, and outfits. Help that channel to grow, please. And then this channel here will only be keto. Right now I'm loading both just until the other channel grows. So, but anyways, let's get started on this design. Please continue the prayers for me, you guys. I appreciate them. And yeah, I'm excited. So let's get started on this design. I love you guys very much. God bless and take care. And always remember to keep it keto. Hello everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for this week's nail design. Another tropical look. Beautiful teal and yellow done with my plates. If you'd like to see how I did this one, then please continue watching. Hello everyone. Back doing another beautiful nail design for the week. But just so you know, like I said in my intro, this is the last design in my old home. The next design you guys see will be in my beautiful, bright, new salon. I will do a tour of it before and after it's set up. And I cannot wait to see the lighting and how beautiful it's going to be when I do my next design. But I want to keep this channel going as much as I can, even though I'm in the middle of a move. So I still want to offer a nail design. There will be a toe design and an outfit of the day. And I will do as much as I can for my keto stuff as well. So this week, though, since I'm so busy, I am going to work with my plates again, just so that it's quick and fast and easy for me, but yet you guys still get videos. And this one is really beautiful that I'm doing. I'm super excited about it. So let's begin. So I started off with this beautiful teal color polish. I love it. I will show you what I'm using in today's design. So that one I just bought at Dollar Tree, another Kiss polish. I love these ones. And this one is called Cool how do they say it? Yui? Yeah, Cool Yui. Isn't that a beautiful teal? Kind of a cool name for it too. Love it. That's what I did all over. Then I will be working with this plate number. And I will be doing that design right there. I love it with the flowers and the butterflies. And with this look, it's going to be another kind of tropical look. So pretty. And I'll be using a yellow polish. I want yellow over this teal this time. So I'm working with this paparazzi, and the color is called Love All. I will list down in the box where I got everything. And then through the flowers, I'm going to add a couple of these iridescent teal stones. and a couple of the iridescent. These are just the clear ones with the colors running through it. Just a couple of these tiny 6SS through the design too. And I will only be doing the design like on the top of the nail. One will be like down at the bottom. The next one will be up at the top. So I'll be doing half the design on the nail. So the rest will stay that beautiful teal. I will be working with just a generic stamper right here and a generic, well, the stamper and the scraper I got off of eBay. I also got my plate off of eBay. I will list that down in the box. And then to put the crystals on, I'll be using my ASP glue, using a little orange wood stick and a Q-tip. And then I will top everything off. I finally got back my Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. So I am going to get started on some of the stamping, and I will return to show you what it looks like. All right, so here's what I got going. Isn't that pretty? That yellow just looks so awesome over the teal. And I wanted it to be the yellow like that. I did not want it to be super bright. There's a reason why. But isn't that cool? And I just did some at the top, some at the bottom. Isn't that beautiful? Leaving the teal exposed at the top and the bottom. I just love that. So let's start stamping and I'll show you. So let's see here. We'll draw in a little bit. I am working with that image, like I said, right there. And we're going to get the paint on there. And this is kind of a watery yellow. And a lot of my yellows were watery. But you know what? It's okay. Because it's turning out exactly the way I wanted it. The color. So, scrape. Where's my... Oh. And then pick up the design. Great pick up there. Now this one's going to go at the top of the nail. So I'm just going to kind of line it up here. Let's see, how do I want this? I think I want to go this way with it. I'm going to line it up just like that. Going kind of in the middle here. And I'm just going to roll it across the nail there. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And then just push down. And we're going to use the tape trick again to get that off. So now let's clean this off. I use a lint roller to clean off my stamper. And then I'm going to get the plate cleaned and ready for the next nail. So we'll clean this off. I'm just using pure acetone. Okay. And let's do it again. And you don't need a lot of paint. Like it's, you see the design's going on really well. Scrape. Pick up the image. There it is right there. Ooh, let me get my Q-tip there because there is a little piece inside of there. If you see that little, I don't know what it is, but I'm going to get that out of there. Okay. So now this one's going to go at the bottom of the nail. So this one's pretty easy. I'm just going to line it up right about here and just go across. Rolling it all the way around. There. Isn't that so cute and pretty? I love it. Let me clean off my lint roller quick just so this doesn't dry because this yellow seems to dry pretty quick on this stamper. So, there. Now I've got them, excuse me, going up and down so that I can expose more of that teal color. So, let me just let this dry up a little bit. I'll come back and show you the tape trick. All right, I'm back, and real quick, I'm just going to show you real quick how you clean up that with tape. Sometimes you have to use your acetone, but sometimes it just works. So I'm just going to take some Scotch tape, and look at that. Go to this side, just get it right into that little corner there, and pull. Pull, and if it won't get it off, you can use your acetone. But pretty much it cleaned off. So I only have a little bit of cleanup work to do. But now what I'm going to do is start putting the crystals in, and I will return to show you that step. All right, now I've got the crystals in there. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I love it. I really, really, really love the color combo. It's so pretty. So let's get the stones in here. Let me draw in for you. I'm just using an orange wood stick to get the glue on it. I put a little bit of glue in this cap here. So I'm just going to put a dot right there. We're going to put a little tiny dot in that small flower. And then I'm just going to kind of sporadically put some around for those tiny stones. Maybe one right there. Then I'm going to grab a Q-tip. We're going to pick up the blue stone. Whoops. Turn this around and pick up the... Of course, when you're on, you can't ever pick these stones up. It's so funny. So I'm going to set that right into the big one there. And give it a little push. And now we're just going to get the little tiny ones now. And put one in that flower. And wherever there's glue now. One there. One there. And I think I did one right there, I think. Yeah, right there. There. Isn't that beautiful? Let me draw back out. Isn't that so pretty? I love it so much. Now, I just got to stamp my one thumb. I messed it up, and I'm just waiting for it to dry. I'm going to stamp it, and then I will be top coating. I'll come back and show you that step. Okay, I'm back, and most of them are top coated. And you see, once they're top coated, the yellow really pops a little bit more. This one isn't top coated, or this one, but you see it next to one that is, makes it pop a little bit more. So let me show you. I'm going to draw in here. When you're going over stones and you're going over a design, you always want to make sure that you glide over it. So you're going to use a lot of this top coat. This dries really fast, and you want to use it very, like a lot. You don't want to be sparingly with this. So get a nice thick drop. I'm going to actually get one more. And then just start going over, but gliding over the design so it doesn't pull your design or ruin it. Even though the design is dry, you want to be very careful, especially with stamping. But go over all those stones, pulling out any bubbles, because it wouldn't look good if you had bubbles in there. That would look really bad. And then cap the end always. Okay, and then I'll do the one right next to it. Again, a nice big thick coat going over your design. And look at how it makes that yellow pop even more once that yellow is over the top of it. But gliding, like I said, just glide really gently, going in between, pulling any air bubbles out and capping your end just like that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this design. So I'm going to do a second coat. I always do, so it holds my rhinestones really good. I'm going to do one more coat, and I will return to show you the end product. Alrighty, I am all done, and I am loving this one. I love how faint that yellow is. I just think it looks so great with that teal, and I love how I went opposite with the stamping, one on top, some on the bottom, and then all those beautiful iridescent stones through it. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I'm very pleased with this one. Again, I'm sorry that I worked with my plates. I will get back to my freehand art, but I've just been really busy. I can't wait for you guys for my next design in my new salon. Everybody take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my next video.